presenting the Jeep 2020 Cherokee Limited. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Enjoy these notable features: bright white clear coat, wheels, 18-inch x 7 inches polished painted aluminum, tires, 225/55 R18 all-season, STD, black premium leather trim bucket seats, quick order package 2YG included, engine 2.0 Li4 DOHC-DI turbo with ESS transmission, 9-speed 940/8TE automatic, gross vehicle weight, 5050 lbs, STD, engine, 2.0 Li4 DOHC-D turbo with ESS included, acoustic windshield active noise control system dual bright exhaust tips 180 amp alternator engine oil cooler base insulation group, 3.734 axle ratio, STD, and transmission, 9-speed 940/8TE automatic.